Hello children, today we are going to learn more about two-digit subtraction. In the last video you have learned can you do a two-digit subtraction. You can break that problem into the subtraction of a single digit by another single digit. Let's take some example. Say you have 10, 11, 12, 13 sticks, and from that you want to take away or remove 10, 11 sticks. What do? You start from ones position, and you from the 3 sticks you take away 1 stick. So I have removed that from the top, and that whatever is the pending number of sticks, I get it down. So it is 2 sticks are pending. Same thing you do here. You start from ones position. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and then you move to the tens position. Now there is one bundle of stick and you want to take away one bundle from it, so it is nothing left, so it's 0 bundle, nothing is left here. Same way you do here. You go to the tens position after you're done from ones position, and you do 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 13 minus 11 is equal to 0, 2. Or we write it as 13 minus 11 is equal to 0, 2. So this is what we learnt in our last video. Let's take some more examples. Let's say you have 10, 20, 21 sticks, and from that you want to take away, that is minus sign, 10, 11, 12, 13 sticks, that is 1, 3. You write this like this. Now let's start doing the same way. You start from ones position. From 1 stick you want to take away 3 sticks. How is it possible from 1 stick you want to take away 3 sticks? You have lesser number of sticks and you want to take away more sticks. So how do you solve it? The ones position says to its neighbor tens position, can you give me a bundle of yours? The neighbor 10 says, sure, I have 2 bundles, I can give you one of them. So you give 1 bundle to the ones position. Now the ones position have more number of sticks. It opens the bundle, so it becomes 10 sticks. So that bundle of 10, you make it loose sticks. So now the ones position have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sticks. From 11 sticks you can take away 3 sticks easily. I remove 3 from here, and now the rest of the sticks I get it down. And they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sticks left. And numerically on the left side you do exactly the same way. Start from ones position. You want to do 1 minus 3. Now 1 minus 3 you cannot do. From 1 you can remove either 1 stick or you can remove 0 sticks, the lesser number or equal to number of sticks. You cannot take away more sticks. You don't have that many sticks, right? So what does the ones position say? Hey neighbor 10, can you give me a bundle or 10 sticks? Neighbor 2 says, sure, I can give you. So the neighbor 10 is now saying, I'll give you 110 to you. So now you became 110 plus 1, which is 11. Now you can easily subtract 11 minus 3. But because the tens position is given a 10 to its neighbor or lent a 10 to its neighbor, you strike that number off and it is now reduced by 1, because now 2 was there. A 10 is, there were 2 tens previously. A 10 is given to one's position, so it's left with 110. Just the way when this bundle went from here to here, from the 2 bundles it only became 1 bundle, and 1 bundle went there, it got opened and subtracted. So the 2 is strike off and you only left with 110. Now come back to the ones position. After this borrow business is over, say now I am having 11 from minus 3, which you have learnt in the last video. The value is 8, right? Now you go back to the tens place, continue on the tens place, one bundle left. From that you want to take away one bundle, its left is nothing. So 0 bundles here. Numerically same thing. Don't look at now at the tens place 2. That is, you have struck off that thing. Because 110 is lent to the ones position. So its 2 is left with 1. If there was 5, it would have become 4. Or if this number was 3, it would have become 2, because a 10 is been given to its neighbor. So now you do 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So finally 21 minus 13 is equal to 0.8, or here you can say 8 sticks. 21 minus 13 is equal to 0.8 or 8. Sounds confusing, Let's try it. Maths is all about trying. Once you try more problems, it becomes very easy and a lot more fun. Let's say you have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 sticks. You want to take away 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 sticks from it. So you want to take away 16 sticks. Let's do the same way. Let's do first using sticks. You have 5 sticks at the ones position, the loose sticks, and you want to take away 6. 5 is lesser than 6. How can you take away more sticks? So the ones position says to the tens position, can you give me a bundle of yours? Right now, here in this example, you have 2 bundles. So he gives away 1 bundle. Now tens place is having 1 lesser bundle. With this bundle move from here to ones position. And you open that bundle. So now you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From the 15 sticks, I can take away 6 sticks because 15 is more than 6. So I remove 6 sticks from the 15. Those 6 sticks goes away, and the rest of the sticks I move it down. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sticks are left here. Let's do on the left side same way numerically. You start from ones position. 5 minus 6. 5 is lesser than 6. So you need to do borrow over. Tell to your neighbor, hey, you have 2. Can you give me a 10? He says, sure, I can give you 10. So the 10's neighbors says, I will give you a 10. So a 10 goes here. So now the ones position number became 1, 5, or a 10 and a 5, which is 15. And 15 is greater than 6. Right? So because of getting a 10, the 5 has now become 15. Hence, you can now do subtraction of 15 minus 6. But here, this neighbor at the tens place, the value was 2. You strike it off because now he has lent 110 to this position. So the value will be 2 minus 1, which will be 1. So 1 minus 1 is what you are going to do in the next step. But let's first, after you have done this thing, first finish away the ones position subtraction. Otherwise you will forget it. Because we started with ones position only. We started with 5 minus 6. Because 5 was lesser than 6, you did a borrow over. So you became 15. Before forgetting the next step, do a strike off. Reduce this value by 1. So it became 1. And now continue on the ones operation. So now 15 minus 6 is 9. Now continue your thing from ones position, things is done. Now move to the tens position. 1 bundle left. Of which you want to take away 1 bundle. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Nothing there. Same way 1. You don't look at this number. It's struck off. So you just look at 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Sounds simple now? So 25 minus 16 is equal to 9 or 0, 9. Let's take one more example. You have 10, 11, 12. 12 sticks and you want to take away 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write 4. But how do you do it? Here is 2 digits. Is single digit. So if you don't have another digit at the position before it, you write 0. Which means 0 tens. 0 tens and 4 is same as 4. Now let's do it. So it become now a 2 digit subtracted by another 2 digit. Now the same problem will be that 2 is lesser than 4. From 2 sticks you want to take away or remove 4 sticks. So how do you do this? The ones position tells to his neighbor 10, can you lend me a 10? Says, sure, I have 10 sticks, I can give you. Gives 10 sticks. Now he's left with nothing. Because it was only one bundle, now one bundle is given over, so it's left with nothing. It's equivalent to strike off with this thing. You open that bundle, so it becomes 10, 11, 12. From 12, I can easily take away 4. That just the way we did it in the previous video. So you just remove now 4 away. And how do you do this thing? Now you remove those 4 away. So you're left with whatever numbers, you just put it there. Same thing you do numerically on the left side. 2 minus 4. How do I do that? Go to the tens neighbor. 2 says, can you give me a 10? Says, sure, I can give you a 10. Gives his 10, so this becomes 12 at this position only, at the ones position. And because he has given a 10, strike this thing off and you write 1 minus a 1 which is given, so it's left with 0. So now this is only left with 12, and now you can easily do this 12 minus 4, which is 8. Correct? Come to the tens position, nothing left, 0 minus 0 is 0. Here also 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So you could have done 12 minus 04 without borrow over, just the way you learned in the last video. But I wanted to show you that if you do 12 minus 04 just the way using the borrow over mechanism, how to do it. So the answer is same, which is 8. So in this video we learned how to do borrow over if from the number from which we are doing subtraction is lesser than the number of items you want to remove, like 2 minus 4 or 3 minus 5. So you do a borrow over from the neighbor, reduce the value of that neighbor by 1 and then continue. That's all for today, children. Have fun, enjoy maths to your fullest. Okay? Take care and bye-bye.